Why gold is precious, have you ever think about it? It's shiny and beautiful, and people have loved making jewelry from it for centuries. Gold is also used as money and has been for hundreds of years. But gold is precious not only because it's beautiful and costly, it's also very useful. It is used in art, in industry, in electronics, in dentistry, and in medicine. It even helps solve crimes. Scientists who help detectives have developed a way to apply gold to find fingerprints on surfaces like plastic or leather. Minerals and metals began to form in the Earth's crust more than 4 billion years ago. Ever since then, they have been forming and reforming within the crust as the planet's surface has changed. Sometimes, the changes bring chunks and veins of gold or other metals close to the surface. But more often, people have to dig underground. That process is called mining. Getting gold out of the earth isn't easy, although sometimes chunks called nuggets are found on the ground or lying at the bottom of a stream. In 1869, a 154-pound nugget of gold was found in Australia. Usually, though, gold isn't just lying around waiting for someone to pick it up. Like other metals, gold is found in deposits embedded in other minerals and in rocks. Sometimes, the gold is in particles so tiny it takes a microscope to see them. Other times, the particles are tiny flakes that glitter and gleam and can be seen with the naked eye. To collect these precious bits into quantities large enough to be worth something, miners have to separate the gold from other minerals such as quartz or granite. Historians say that hundreds of years ago, a gold miner would dip the whole fleece of a sheep into a stream to capture tiny grains of gold. They used special shallow pans to swirl water and sand from a stream to separate out any gold that might be suspended in it. Gold is denser than sand, so when the mixture is shaken, the gold particles separate out. It's tedious work, but some miners got rich panning for gold during the 1800s. Find gold today. Miners use sophisticated methods to locate the kinds of rock formations that are likely to yield useful amounts of the metal. They even study satellite pictures of the Earth's rocks, looking for cracks called faults where gold might be found near the surface. They also use high-tech equipment like gravity meters and instruments to locate gold deposits. Once gold ore has been found, modern-day miners may use a chemical method to separate the metal from its less valuable surroundings. Crushed up ore is mixed with strong chemicals that melt the gold. The solution is filtered to remove impurities, and the gold is allowed to harden again. This method works, but it takes a lot of rock to get just a little bit of gold. It may take 1 ton of gold-containing ore to get 1/3 of an ounce of the precious metal. For more informative videos, please subscribe our YouTube channel Information Infinity and share this video those who know why gold is so precious.